presidential advisor Dr. Paul Tungwarara descended in Masvingo on Tuesday to officiate at the launch of a revolving empowerment fund just weeks before the Ward 7 by-election set for September 13. A move, critics say, smacks of political opportunism disguised as development. Sanapenda mashoko buda panguva ine tinokwana Tungwarara panguva ine woya vachiflasha mari nezvinhu zvakadaro ahead of my by-elections. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tungwarara, who serves as the presidential special advisor on investment, led the disbursement of funds under the Presidential Empowerment Revolving Fund at a provincial event held at the Masvingo Showgrounds. In quotes, we've brought $150,000 specifically for veterans at Masvingo as a clear demonstration that the president is a man of action, not just words, Tungwarara told attendees. The $150,000 cash package for war veterans was presented as part of President Mnangagwa's grassroots empowerment agenda. However, the timing of the handover has sparked criticism. Under the direct instruction of President Mnangagwa, the presidential special advisor on investment, Dr. Paul Tungwarara, was in Masvingo province. Today, spearheading the disbursement of the Presidential Empowerment Revolving Fund, a transformative initiative designed to uplift and energize grassroots communities, declared the ZANU-PF official during the ceremony. Despite the official tone of the event, political observers have criticized the move as a thinly veiled campaign tactic. With the by-election just weeks away, many are questioning whether the fund's rollout is driven by a desire to secure votes rather than a genuine commitment to community empowerment. Ndomashwari kuda panguva ino ichionekwa aiwa vana Tungwarara vachiflasha mari ahead of my by-elections. Vanhu vachiraise makwesheni vachiti pamuflasha mari inoda kuti varoda kuwana mavhotsi here kana kuti vaifanira kugara vaizviita nevaifanira kunge vachizviita zviri very frequent, but panguva ino kuchionekwa vakuda support ndopakunge nemari. Bhodzi dzemafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pemacritics panguva ino vanhu vachishamisika ZANU-PF masekwiro ari kuita mumabay-elections? Zvinozoratidza kuti ZANU-PF panguva ino ichiri nefuture neZimbabwe, havasi kuda kuresigna anytime soon. Tuzive mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Kana kuna section medu dzemafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, chota on the bell icon.